Hey there! Welcome to Thought Rally channel, and in this video, we're going to talk about the top 8 skills that can make you rich. While many people dream of financial success, few understand the importance of developing specific skills to achieve it. In this video, we'll show you how mastering these skills can help you increase your earning potential, build lasting relationships, and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an employee, or a student, these skills are essential for success in today's competitive world. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to master these 8 skills and start your journey towards financial freedom. So, let's dive in and understand why mastering these skills can help you become rich. Number 1. Time management is an imperative skill to control the scarcest asset we have. Time. Time is the most precious commodity we have, and how we use it determines our success. If you're constantly running out of time, you're more likely to feel stressed, anxious, and overwhelmed. These negative emotions can affect your productivity and ultimately your earning potential. Mastering time management means setting clear priorities, delegating tasks, and focusing on what's essential. By doing this, you'll be able to maximize your productivity and work towards your goals efficiently. Time management is a skill that can be developed through discipline and practice, and it's essential to adopt it to achieve financial success. Number 2. Effective communication. Effective communication is another critical skill you need to master if you want to become rich. The ability to communicate your thoughts, ideas, and goals clearly and persuasively can help you build strong relationships with clients, investors, and colleagues. Good communication skills can help you negotiate better deals, resolve conflicts, and build your personal brand. It's a skill that requires active listening, empathy, and the ability to convey your message effectively. By mastering communication, you can improve your chances of success in any field you choose to pursue. Number 3. Negotiation. Negotiation is a skill that can help you achieve your goals while ensuring that everyone involved in the deal benefits. Whether you're negotiating a salary, a contract, or a business deal, knowing how to negotiate effectively can help you get the best possible outcome. The key to successful negotiation is to understand the other person's needs and perspective, identify common ground, and find creative solutions. Negotiation is a skill that requires patience, confidence, and a deep understanding of the subject matter. By mastering this skill, you can increase your earning potential and secure better opportunities. Number 4. Resilience. Resilience is a critical skill for anyone who wants to achieve success and build wealth. As setbacks and failures are an inevitable part of life, to master this skill, it's important to develop a growth mindset, which means seeing challenges as opportunities for learning and growth, rather than as obstacles. Another important strategy is to develop a strong support network of family, friends, and mentors who can provide encouragement and guidance during difficult times. It's also important to take care of our physical and mental health through exercise, healthy eating, and stress management techniques. Finally, it's important to practice self-compassion and to be kind and patient with ourselves when things don't go as planned. By cultivating resilience, we can bounce back from setbacks and failures and turn adversity into opportunities for growth and success. With this skill, we can become more confident, adaptable, and successful in all areas of our lives. Number 5. Critical thinking. Critical thinking is an essential skill for anyone who wants to succeed and build wealth in today's complex and rapidly changing world. To master this skill, it's important to first learn how to analyze information objectively and logically, while avoiding biases and emotional attachments. This means being able to evaluate evidence and arguments from multiple perspectives, and drawing conclusions based on facts rather than assumptions or opinions. Another key component of critical thinking is being able to identify and evaluate different solutions to problems and selecting the one that is most effective and feasible. To develop this skill, It's important to practice active listening, asking questions, and seeking out different viewpoints and opinions. By being open-minded and curious, and by constantly challenging our assumptions and beliefs, we can become better critical thinkers and make more informed and successful decisions in all areas of our lives. Number 6. Sales. Sales is all about persuading people to buy a product or service, and it's a skill that can be applied to any profession or industry. To master sales, you need to have excellent communication skills, empathy, and the ability to identify and address the customer's needs. One practical way to master sales is to practice active listening. By listening to your customers' needs and concerns, you can understand their pain points and provide solutions that meet their needs. It's also important to focus on building relationships with your customers. By establishing trust and rapport, you can create loyal customers who will return to your business again and again. Another way to master sales is to continually educate yourself on the latest trends and best practices. Attend seminars and workshops, read books, and learn from experienced sales professionals. Finally, don't be afraid to take risks and experiment with new approaches. By continuously improving your skills, you can become a master of sales and achieve financial success. Number 7. Investing. Investing is a crucial skill for anyone who wants to achieve financial success and build wealth. But mastering the art of investing can be a daunting task for many. To become a successful investor, it's important to first understand the basic principles of investing, including diversification, risk management, and the importance of a long-term perspective. One key strategy is to focus on investing in areas you are familiar with, such as particular industry or geographic region. This can help you identify trends and opportunities that others may miss. Another important factor is to stay informed about the latest market trends and economic indicators so that you can make informed decisions about when to buy, sell, or hold your investments. Finally, it's important to remain disciplined and avoid the temptation to make impulsive decisions based on emotions or short-term fluctuations in the market. By following these principles and strategies, anyone can master the skill of investing and build a successful and sustainable portfolio over time. Number 8. Problem solving. The ability to identify and analyze problems, develop and evaluate potential solutions, and implement the best course of action can set individuals apart in their personal and professional lives. One effective way to master problem solving is through practicing critical thinking. By breaking down complex problems into smaller parts and evaluating each aspect separately, individuals can better understand the problem as a whole and develop innovative solutions. Another way to improve problem-solving skills is through collaboration with others. By working with diverse groups of individuals, each with their own unique perspectives and skill sets, individuals can expand their problem-solving capabilities and develop more effective solutions. Finally, it's important to remain adaptable and open-minded in the face of challenges, as sometimes the best solutions may come from unexpected sources or ideas. Mastering these 10 skills will help you to achieve success and wealth in your personal and professional life. Remember that developing these skills takes time and effort, but the rewards can be great. By continuously learning and growing, you can become the best version of yourself and achieve your goals. So, start practicing these skills today and see the positive impact they can have on your life. Don't let anything hold you back from reaching your full potential and becoming the successful, wealthy individual you are meant to be. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in your journey towards success and riches. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest content.